again. Now we are back again, and then ya, silakan teman-teman untuk okay, try to color your drawing first. Ya, tapi nggak usah dipaksain kalau udah capek, nggak apa-apa. You just don't need to do your work. Tapi kalau mau terus warnain, bisa our company user. Misalnya mau temenin kalian. Ya, kita akan lihat nanti 20 menit sebelum ini kita akan ada presentasi, teman-teman. You guys need to present your work. Okay.
Oh my.
Aleta mau warnainya pakai apa?
Pensil.
Pensil ya, is okay. Sebisa mungkin jangan ada putih-putih ya, Aleta. Warnanya dirapetin, ya. Ini jadi solid. Kalau di English we say the color becoming more solid. Okay. Wah, kakak Albus ini produktif banget tuh, lihat gambarnya, sibuk banget dia. Dia itu kayak little artist, kayak kerja di studio. Wah, gambar Albus. Dia kerja di studionya dia. Terus,
Sampai pakai.
iya. Topiknya keren lagi, warnanya biru dan ada gambar apa itu? Car ya itu. Like off-road car. Keren banget. Adiknya juga lagi sibuk dia pakai. Itu banget pastinya. Niko tetap semangat, Niko. Niko udah banyak perubahan, gambarnya sekarang udah mulai tambah keren. Kalau pandemi selesai dan online lessonnya udah selesai, kita bisa berusaha bisa gambar sendiri nanti di rumah. Pak Ares sama Tio, kalian berdua itu berbakat banget. Gambarnya juga keren-keren. Lagi. Iya, buat kakak Ares sama Tio gambarnya keren berdua. Kalian kalau sudah besar bisa memilih menjadi dokter atau artis. Kalau jadi dokter berarti nanti kalian masa mendatangnya akan digunakan untuk menggambar anatomi tubuh manusia. Terus kalian belajar organ-organ tubuh. Kamu mau jadi arsitek atau mau jadi desainer atau mau jadi pilot? Nah, tapi yang pasti film menggambarnya nanti pasti kepake.
Tapi pilot aku nggak apa-apa.
Gambar areanya di mana, gunung-gunung di mana.
Oh,
Gambar. Kalau Aleta udah besar jadi apa? Aleta udah besar mau jadi apa?
Cita-cita
Aleta mau jadi apa kalau udah besar?
YouTuber. Let's be YouTuber, Mister.
Ya, nggak apa-apa. Misal A juga YouTuber, misal A sama Devaka juga YouTuber. Kita bikin video. Ya, nggak apa-apa. Kalau Glenn, mau jadi apa, Glenn? Nggak kedengeran ininya kayaknya apa namanya mic-nya nggak ada kan maksudnya apa headsetnya. Yeah, the hardest part of drawing or painting is like you guys to color everything, right?
Like Earth.
And the simple one that you can do
Island?
drawing and painting is doing the sketches. Yeah, Mr. I also like to draw the sketches. Sometimes I'm too lazy to color my drawing. That's why sometimes I do not really finish my drawing. Oke, buat kakak Res dan Tio, semangat terus. Ini
Ya, Mr. Al.
ya foto sama maminya sama dedinya dan akan dikirim ke panitia lupa. Ini tak hanya satu. Kita akan berdoa mudah-mudahan kalian dapat juara dan dapat siap pesantren atau tablet.
It's like the Earth. This is the island and this is the water.
Okay.
Kurang pakai jari.
Dapat kok. Niko udah besar mau jadi apa?
Pilot.
Pilot. Wah.
Sama kayak aku dong.
Dia mau jadi apa udah besar? Dokter hewan.
Dia kayak dari
Oh. Elbrus mau jadi apa kalau udah besar?
Jadi apa?
Spiderman.
Jadi apa?
Spiderman.
Spiderman. Yeay.
Oh. Elbrus.
Iya. Gak apa-apa, Spiderman is a good.
Dia harus nyari itu dulu. Spiderman. Iya, Spiderman.
Ya, Glenn.
Terus digigit langsung. Iya.
Wow, keren banget, Glenn. Itunya bawahnya diwarnain ya, Glenn. Yang warna putihnya itu apa? Iya. Ya, itu diwarnain juga biar keren, Glenn. Nanti kalau sudah warnain, minta bantuan sama Mami untuk di foto.
Itu tuh alat yang itu kan masukin uang tiba-tiba nggak ada. Bukan nggak ada tapi ganti warna.
Selesai menggambar, selesai sistem ini, kita keluar dan kita main sepeda atau jalan-jalan di jalanan. Kita teman-teman juga boleh kalau misalnya selesai menggambar sebentar ke depan, tapi kalau di depannya ramai, rumahnya banyak orang, ya jangan keluar. Ya. Mana Glenn? Oke, selesai.
Ya, kalungnya kena.
Nggak kedengeran. Ya, Glenn ngomongnya harus di mic gitu kan, di sini ada mic-nya. Halo. Kedengeran Glenn? Oh iya, dicopot. Iya.
Tidak, burung aku. Nggak kelihatan. Okay.
Did I put my name?
At the back. Yeah.
Penggemar panis masih aja nggak tahu. I think I should not. There is no room for it.
Okay, you can put your name at the back of your drawing. Write down your name at the back of your drawing and get ready to present your work, yeah? 5 more minutes, we're going to present your work. Tori and Rachel, please stand by. We're going to present your work. Ready or not, it's okay. Okay, if you think that I'm not ready, Mr. Al, because my drawing, I do not finish my coloring yet. It's okay. Right? This one is Abia. I'm sorry I cannot give you a specific order how to use the watercolor, but I'm sure that you can do it. Okay. I'm sure that you can do it, guys. It's easy. Watercolor is easy. Just put water and then put the colors and then wipe it on your drawing like this. Not too thick, not too soft. I mean, not too chamfer. It has to be a little bit transparent like this. Ya, watercolor itu nggak kayak akrilik harus tebel-tebel gitu, enggak. Dia harus tipis tapi juga sedang-sedang aja, jadi balance. Nggak tipis, nggak tebal, tapi seperti ini. Okay, good job, Abia. Come on, keep on going. Wow, Elbrus keren banget. Bagus banget Elbrus. Mr. Al kasih 2 jempol buat Elbrus. Good job. Yay. Very good. Ayo, gambar apa lagi Elbrus? Ada butterfly-nya nggak? Ada kupu-kupunya nggak Elbrus? Ayo, coba kita kedengarin Elbrus ya. Kita
Ini butterfly.
Ya, terus apa lagi? Ceritain dong. Gunung, ya. Apalagi? Apa? Oke. Apalagi?
Itu apa sih?
Apa itu? Orang ya, gambar orang ya. Gambar matahari yang mana matahari? Wah. Pohon. Di bawahnya pohon ada apa? Ayo, di bawahnya
This is my
pohon.
drawing.
Okay, wait, Glenn. After this, you can present your work. Ada apa?
I keep for a bunny.
Oh, cool. Alright, thank you, Elbrus. Terima kasih, Mr. Al. Kasih Elbrus 2 jempol. And Dipata also kasih 2 jempol. Abia juga kasih 2 jempolnya. Elbrus. Elbrus, hai. Elbrus. Kita kasih jempol buat Elbrus semuanya. Good job.
Kita kasih 6 jempol.
Oke, sekarang waktunya siapa nih yang mau presentasi lagi?
Glenn.
Glenn, you ready, Glenn? Nah, ready ya, Glenn? Glenn, you have to be longer ya. Okay, so that we can get inspired by you. Ready, 1, 2, go.
This is my drawing of the forest being so nice. I drew. And first I draw a people, someone here that is holding a magnifying glass,
Oh, magnifying glass, we have it.
and I drew some grass. I drew a tree. I drew a monkey here. I drew an owl here, and I drew a bunny that wants to close the door. And I draw the bird singing. I draw the butterfly. Then I draw the flower right here. I drew a ant hole. This is where the ants live, and these are where the worms live. And that's all.
Okay, Glenn, my suggestion, put black behind the rabbit hole. Because that one is a hole, right? You have to put black, color it black. You draw the rabbit, right? Yeah, behind the rabbit, there's still white space. You can color it with black.
Okay.
Yeah, it will
I'm
look
doing
like that the rabbit will come out from the hole, like opening the door like that. Okay, and then the next will be siapa yang mau? Just raise your hand. Who wants to present their drawing? Who's ready? Nico udah siap? Present? Nico, t-shirtnya keren banget, Spider-Man. Misalnya pengen banget itu punya t-shirtnya Nico. Belinya di mana?
Apa?
Nico beli bajunya di mana? Spider-Man keren banget.
Online.
Di mana?
Online.
Oke. Ayo Nico udah siap mau presentasi? Ready? Okay. Now guys, please listen up. Our friend Nico will going to present his work. Ready? 1, 2, go.
This is my drawing. First, I draw a little boy in the forest, and I draw a leaf and the flowers and another flowers, and then I draw a turtle
Turtle. Yeah.
and a monkey, and then I draw a dragonfly and a butterfly, and then I color it, and I draw a snake.
Wow, that's cool. Nico, you know what? Your English now becoming more better than before. Okay? And also your confidence is also raising. Ya, Nico jadi lebih percaya diri dan bahasa Inggrisnya makin bagus. Ini guys, 2 thumbs up for Nico. Yeay. Keren banget ya. 6 thumbs up. Thank you Nico. Nico latihan terus ya menggambar ya. Kamu makin hari makin bagus. Itu diwarnain turtle-nya sama flowers-nya, Nico masih lihat belum diwarnain. Warnain ya. Nico, thank you Nico. Oke, next will be siapa ya? Terus udah, Glenn. Glenn ada pertanyaan buat Nico?
What?
Glenn, do you have any question for Nico? No? Okay, guys, if you have your question, you just ask question. Aleta, are you ready? Okay, now give applause. Give a round of applause for Aleta. Yay! Wow, this is great. 3, 1, 2, go. We cannot hear you, Aleta. Can you speak louder, please?
I made a man with a hat with a tie and this is a tree and made it all colorful. There's a monkey just sitting near a tiger and this is a snake, a frog, this is and this another is a butterfly, and this is the turtle, and this
Okay, that's it. Only, Aleta. Suka nggak gambar itu, Aleta? Is it up for you to draw like that? Aleta, pakai bahasa Indonesia atau Inggris?
English.
English,
Sister.
oh, English. So, Aleta, is it hard for you to draw the people with the animals?
So this is what's the hardest one?
Which object that you think that one is very hard for you to draw?
It's the
Which one? Drawing the picture? Oh, drawing. What is that? Butterfly? What is that? Wow, good. Do you have any question for Aleta?
How can we draw it?
Mister? What is it, Mister? Cannot hear you.
Yeah, Aleta.
How can you draw that?
I have a question.
Okay. Glenn, do you have any question for Aleta?
Just thinking, but I don't want to ask her.
Sorry, Glenn?
Maybe too much. So I'm not gonna ask.
Oh, it's statement, not a question.
Thinking.
Okay, thank you, Aleta. Wow. Ask mommy or daddy to help you to send your drawing and to join the competition behind you. This is the backdrop of the drawing competition. Yeah?
Well,
It's okay, just only for fun. If you win, that will be good. If you don't win, it's okay. It's only like, oh, this is only like interesting. The last will be Tori and sisters and Ares and Pio. Ares, Pio udah siap belum?
Belum, no.
Belum ya. Oke, kita udah mau habis waktunya. Silakan untuk Tori and Rachel. Siapa yang mau duluan? Which one? Okay, Rachel first.
First, I draw a cow.
And then?
And then I draw a butterfly.
Okay.
And then some, a baby bird.
Wow.
And a girl. And chair. And lunchbox. And camera.
Yeah.
And legs. And clocks. Shoes and socks. And pants. Done.
Wow. Can you show us again, please, so that we can have any question to see your drawing? Ini yang ini apa yang di bawah yang warnanya brown? What is that? The brown one. Yang paling bawah, the kayak ular. Itu ular ya? Snake.
Yes.
Oh, it's a big snake. Wow. Thank you, Rachel. Guys, do you have any question for Rachel? No? Okay, good luck. Alright, congratulations Rachel. Bisa kasih 2 jempol buat Rachel. Keren banget gambarnya. Ya, keren banget. Presentasinya juga keren banget. Rachel kali ini presentasinya lebih detail. Very good. I give you 2 thumbs up and 10 stars. Okay. Okay. Next will be Tori. Kakak Tori, come on. See, come on here. Depan Kak. Tori,
Yeah.
sudah. Nah.
Then I draw. First, I draw some girl,
Okay.
the girl, and then the hat, the face first, and then I draw the hat, and then I draw the body, and then the hands, and then her hands, and then the legs, and then I draw the backpack, and then I draw bird in here, and then I draw the sun, and I draw a lot of clouds, and then I draw trees. I draw snakes,
Yeah.
and then I draw a tree, and then I draw the nest, and then this is have a baby birds, and then this is a butterfly, and then I have a birds, and then this is a butterfly, and then I have a monkey, and then a flower, and then a small trees, and then I have birds here, and then I have some like lizards, and then it's done.
Okay, Tori, your drawing are very good. Well done, Tori. My goodness. Even you draw the people like me. It's like the same with the one that I drew. Which one is mine? Where's mine? Yeah, the way you draw the girl are very good. Ya, girl-nya keren banget, dia lagi begini, monkey-nya juga lagi raise hand like that. It's very creating a positive vibe. Like this. Even you drawing like me, like yeah, the drawing are very good. Tori, ask mommy or daddy to take picture of your drawing and please send it and please join the competition behind me. I'm going to send you the link later on. Oke, Tori, bagus banget ya, dikirimin, mudah-mudahan you can be the winner. But yeah, it's okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Tori, I give you 2 thumbs up. Who wants to give 2 thumbs up? Glenn, how many thumbs you want to give to? Oh, 2 thumbs up also. Thank you, Glenn. Aleta, how many thumbs? Oh, 2 thumbs up for Tori. All right, good job. Thank you, Glenn. Thank you, Aleta. And thank you, Rochelle. Now, the last but not the least, Ares first. Yay. Oh, kita masih ada Abia di sini. Oke, Kak Ares, silakan Kak Ares yang keras suaranya. Wow. So cool. Ares, we cannot hear you. I'm sorry, what's happened with the mic?
Oh, I mute the mic. Sorry.
Yeah.
First, I'm drawing a man, and then there's a monkey climbing in his hand, and then I draw a cat in here, and I draw a rabbit, and then I draw 2 fox in here, and then 2 butterfly and snakes, and then I draw I don't know. And then I draw 2 flower, and then I draw 3, and I draw the sun and the cloud.
Wow, Ares, Kakak Ares keren banget gambarnya. Ya, Kakak Ares itu diselesain, di coloring. It doesn't have to be now. I mean, tomorrow is okay, or maybe on Monday is okay. And then ask mommy or daddy to help you to send your drawing to join the competition. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, you can send 2 or 3 painting. I mean, 2 or 3 drawing to join the competition. So if one maybe is not enough to be the winner, maybe the second one will be better, or maybe the third one, maybe the judge will like your drawing and maybe they can choose it. Who knows? Yeah? We will never know that you can be the winner or not, but at least we try.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Al.
Kak Ares, sekarang Mr. Al mau Abia presentasi dulu. Ready Abia, Kak Ares, terima kasih. Kita kasih kesempatan buat adik kita ya. Nah, sekarang Kak Abia. Oke, Abia, come on. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Hey, why are you closing this?
Sama-sama apa? Ayo, ngomong aja sih nggak apa-apa. Suaranya dia nggak kedengeran. Kakak Glenn sampai begini nggak kedengeran dia. Dan apa lagi? Oh, hari udah hari Kenapa?
Mungkin kalau sudah jadi kan silakan pekerjaan.
Udah. Oke, thank you Abia. Ya, nggak bisa kedengeran ya. Thank you, Glenn. Thank you for giving us the sign that the voice are too low. We cannot hear Abia's voice. It's okay. Maybe next time Abia will try to make it more better. Now, Lola, I will keep Kakak Vio to present his work. The last one, but wait. Kakak Vio after this one. This one is made by adik kita Devanka. Come on, Devanka. Okay, go Devanka.
Turn off the green screen.
I will turn off the green screen. Okay, you can start to talk now.
Okay, hi, this is my drawing. First, I draw the person. And then I draw the animals with the tree. And then I draw the ground with flowers and Mr. Sun and the sky.
Okay, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Devanka. I give you suggestion, yeah. After this one is dry, guys, you can start to retrace it again the line.
Okay.
You can digaris lagi. Kalau udah kering, boleh pakai marker lagi, digaris lagi biar kelihatan garisnya. Okay, thank you so much, Devanka. Now it's time for Kakak Vio. Kakak Vio, come on, we have only 8 more minutes.
Mister, gak apa-apa kan tangannya diwasain di sini?
Yeah, you can wash your hands now. This is the. Silakan Kakak Vio. Bentar, Kakak Vio di-unmute dulu.
Udah?
Oke, udah. Wow.
Udah? Belum jadi.
Gak apa-apa.
This is my drawing. First, I draw one people.
Ya.
And I draw the backpack, shoes, and then I draw the plant and animals in around the people, and I draw a bird, snake, and monkey. This is cloud and sun and plant in the round. Then
Okay. Wow, Kakak Vio di continue ya, continue your coloring, and then don't forget to send your drawing to join the competition. Glenn, do you have any questions so far, Glenn? You want to ask Vio about something, maybe? What, Glenn? I cannot. Do you have any questions so far? Yeah, go.
do you like bamboo, Mr. Al?
Do I like what? Bamboo? Bamboo, you mean the bamboo tree? I think, yeah, I like bamboo tree also. You like it, Glenn?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Yeah, do you like to touch the animal, Glenn?
What?
Do you like to touch an animal like dog or maybe cat?
I really like to touch a bunny.
Bunny, yeah, because the fur are so soft. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for today. I think that we are now at the end of our session. Nico, terus belajar gambarnya keren banget. Minggu depan kita akan belajar lagi hal yang lain. Kalau kalian mau, mungkin hari Sabtu atau Minggu kita akan ada session, tapi biasanya Sabtu Minggu dipakai untuk keluarga ya. Oke, makasih banget Nico, thank you so much. Kak Aleta juga. Aleta juga thank you banget buat Tori and Rachel. Sampai ketemu lagi. Bye Kakak Aleta. Bye Kakak Arif dan Tio. Jangan lupa dikirim ya. Gambar kalian keren banget. Bye Abia, bye Devanka, bye Albus.
Bye.
See you again next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Next time.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone.